will continue in a moment. I know how it is. Your day off, want to slip it away.
How many hours a day does she need to sleep, really?
Well, Toonami's changing all that. 2 hours of the best action cartoons around.
Surrender, get!
Feel my wrath! Let the games begin. All you gotta do is get up.
Mahoshi, please, wake up!
Toonami, the rising sun. Saturday mornings at 11.
Show me what you got.
Only Toonami.
'Twas the Friday before Christmas, and all through the set, the cartoons were dancing, you bet. And what were they gearing up for this good night? The specialest of specials. 'Twill be quite a sight. Please join us for a very Cartoon Fridays holiday special, tonight at 7, only right here on Cartoon Network.
This program brought to you by Crash Bash, only on PlayStation.
Come on, move it. Step on it. Come on, move it. What? Are you talking to me? Honk the horn again, okay?
Crash is ready for battle. Crash Bash, a head-to-head multiplayer rumble. Rated E for everyone.
2 O's in Bandicoot, okay, pal? Sir?
PlayStation. What's for lunch? Chicken and star soup? Grow up. There's a better tasting soup. Progresso chicken noodle. All white meat chicken and bigger vegetables. See the difference? This is better. Now, if you could just eat without the bib.
It's time to go to the better taste of Progresso.
Practice and I'll take you to Chuck E. Cheese's.
The non-stop fun of Chuck E. Cheese's. What did you do to deserve it?
It's got talent. This is not Febreze. It's new Febreze Deep Clean. It goes deeper into fabrics and carpets to clean out lurking odors from mold, mildew, and germs way down deep. New Febreze Deep Clean. Deeper is cleaner.
It's been a long week at work, and you're ready for a few days off.
The human race will bow down to me, Mojo Jojo.
Oh, well, I guess you'll be working the weekend. It's 3 full hours of the Powerpuff Girls, starting Saturday at 3 on Cartoon Network.
Log on to CartoonNetwork.com for exclusive Looney Tunes video games, hints, and cheats.
Endless Waltz now continues. Your in-flight movie will continue in a moment.
Love college hoops? Live for the sweet slam dunks? 3-point plays? Get a ticket to basketball heaven. Order ESPN's Full Court. You'll get over 450 extra games. The top schools, the biggest conferences. Order ESPN Full Court from your cable company.
The excitement is in demand. Pay-per-view for the demanding viewer. You rule.
I bought a 1997 BMW.
We bought a 97 Expedition.
The reason we purchased our most recent car was because we were expecting. The service was excellent.
My salesman really went the extra mile for me.
My first new car came from here too.
Price is the motivating factor.
I saved at least $2,500. I probably saved a couple $1,000.
I know I've saved some money, but I've gone home each time with a wonderful peace of mind.
Easy to get to, right off of I-64 at Hurstbourne Lane. Nobody walks away, and we sure didn't.
All right, here's the toll-free number, 1-800-368-4000. Call now for your chance to win a PS1 and a copy of Crash Bash. Good luck.
My third grader was very intelligent, but having trouble with reading.
I didn't think I was smart.
The phonics game was a way for her to learn to decode and read.
I've learned more from the phonics game.
After this last report card, I know she's going to be the winner that I knew she always could be.
The phonics game is so successful, the makers confidently promise improvement on your child's next report card or your money back.
Must be 18 or older to call.
I'm glad that my mom got me the phonics game.
Nighttime at Toonami is changing, but it's always for the better.
The sleeper has awakened.
At midnight, you get all new episodes of Dragon Ball Z.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
Followed by Tenchi Universe at 12:30.
Hey, this is not a sitcom. We have more important things to think about.
Very well, let's proceed.
Toonami, the midnight run. Sleep is for the weak.
Out of my way!
Endless Waltz now continues. Your in-flight movie will continue in a moment.
All of us in the 12th Ward would like to wish you and your family the happiest of holidays and a prosperous new year.
Happy holidays and Happy New Year from the 5th Ward to everyone in Greater Louisville.
I wish you the happiest of holiday seasons and a healthy and prosperous new year.
From the 1st Ward family to you, happy holidays.
It's here, Kentuckiana. I'm talking about the biggest furniture sale of the year. $4 million in inventory. Furniture Liquidators end of the year clearance. This is a total clearance sale with wall-to-wall bargains in all 9 stores. Buy today and pay nothing till 2002. No down payment, no monthly payments, and free finance until 2002. Bedrooms, living rooms, dining rooms, recliners, even Serta mattress sets. Everything must go. Don't miss the guaranteed lowest prices of the year on Kentuckiana's best selection. Plus free finance until 2002. Furniture Liquidators end of the year clearance.
The Gang Green Gang is up to no good in Townsville, and it's up to you to help Buttercup save the day. No, wait, we can explain. In the second Powerpuff Girls game for Game Boy Color, paint the Townsville green. You'll have the power to trade electronically with your friends and unlock the secrets of all the Powerpuff Girls games. Then check out CartoonNetwork.com or go to your local Toys R Us to get the bonus secret passwords. Get Paint the Townsville green for Game Boy Color, get the passwords at Toys R Us, and save the world before bedtime. Rated E for everyone.
Christmas time is almost here.
Want to make cookies?
So we're baking up some holiday cheer.
Pillsbury Slice and Bake Cookies.
Cookies!
With Rudolph, Charlie Brown's Tree, and Ho-Ho-Ho's.
Spending time together, making memories that last forever. Merry Christmas! My heart to yours.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The NBA is in the house of TBS and TNT.
The NBA is in the house on TBS and TNT Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday nights.
If it appears too dangerous, get back into the ship.
Endless Waltz now continues.
Get set! Go!
will continue in a moment.
Okay, go. Now.
Dee, chicka.
Great. Go, 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 go.
Chicka.
All right, I want 2 of those. Ooh, those. Definitely one of those. That, the Scooby thing. Okay, go. Okay, web premiere tunes, make me laugh. Forget it. Go.
Chicka.
Oh, brother. Make them fight or something.
Chicka.
Okay, that's not really what I meant.
With games, web premiere tunes, and an online shop, there's an easier way to wrangle your favorite cartoons. CartoonNetwork.com. Your click is our command.
This isn't working.
All right, here's the toll-free number, 1-800-368-4000. Call now for your chance to win a PS1 and a copy of Crash Bash. Good luck.
Ow!
So you think Santa will like these red and green M&Ms?
I don't know. I never met the guy. He does exist!
They do exist. Santa?
The Road to El Dorado is now on video. And now every video comes with an instant win card. Every card has a prize, like a golden Razor scooter, and one card is worth $1 million.
Yes!
The Road to El Dorado, the hit movie on video, rated PG.
Get your copy of The Road to El Dorado, now available on video and DVD. Log on to CartoonNetwork.com and look for special instructions to find out how you could win the $1 million.
All moved in. What's for lunch? Chicken and star soup. Condensed soup? I used to eat that too, and then I got out of the high chair. You're an adult now. There's a better tasting soup. Progresso chicken noodle. It has tender pieces of all white meat chicken and bigger slices of hearty vegetables with just the right seasonings. See the difference?
Wow. This is better.
Now, if you could just eat without the bib.
It's time to go to the better taste of Progresso.
It's been a long week at work, and you're ready for a few days off.
The human race will bow down to me, Mojo Jojo.
Oh, well, I guess you'll be working the weekend. It's 3 full hours of the Powerpuff Girls, starting Saturday at 3 on Cartoon Network.
Log on to CartoonNetwork.com for exclusive Looney Tunes video games, hints, and cheats.
Are doing the right thing!
Endless Waltz now continues.